Screen buffers for 1 minute every time you order online because order completion isn't just one step. It involves our inventory check, inventory update, payment confirmation, and many such steps. So, how do we speed this process up? The trick is not all steps are critical. Critical tasks like inventory check, inventory update, payment confirmation can be done prior to order confirmation, and non-critical tasks like sending emails, updating analytics, invoice printing, these can be done later. Critical tasks which should be done before confirming order can be done synchronously, and non-critical tasks can be done asynchronously later in the background. This is where message queues come in. Message queues help manage and coordinate these asynchronous tasks, making sure that they are stored safely, distributed fairly, and retried in case of failures. To understand what message queues offer, let's take a scenario where we manage the tasks ourselves and see what all features message queues provide for us. In case where we manage the task, we need to make sure that no task is lost. So if you maintain the task in memory, this will be lost if server crashes. For that, we'll need to have some persistent storage. With message queues, you get this out of the box. Tasks are persisted using disk and replication strategies so that the tasks remain safe even if worker or server dies. When you maintain your own list, you need to make sure that no two workers take up the same task. For that, you need to have locking mechanisms. In multi-server model, you need to have distributed locking. With message queues, all this is handled. Message queues ensure that one task goes to exactly one worker, and even if worker crashes, this task gets requeued. In case where we are managing our own tasks, we also need to have a fair distribution strategy so that one worker doesn't hog the tasks and others stay ideal. With message queues, we'll have fair queuing where tasks are naturally distributed across the workers. And for scaling, we need to just add workers and message queue balances the load. Pressure handling, in case we maintain our own tasks, we need to have rate limiting retries and dead letter queues to avoid exploding our system when producer floods the load. Message queues offers this natively. It buffers the task and lets consumer pull at their own pace. It routes failed tasks to dead letter queues. In case where we maintain the task, we also need to have retry strategies with exponential backoff and have dead letter handling. With message queues, you get this natively. It offers retry policies and dead letter queue natively. It also routes failed tasks for inspection instead of retrying it, killing the resources. Summarize, message queue offers persistence, concurrency control, load balancing and scalability, back pressure handling, retry and failure handling. Some message queues also offer ordering guarantees with monitoring and metrics. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel Devlins.